dodo.
I don't know.
Take 2.
What's this one not laughing at? The second part today. Yeah.
You stand away from me to do that.
Oh no. It's the second part.
I got a good one.
It's fun. Go on, go on.
No, I'm not going to try. I'll make it break it.
Yeah, it's bad time to try and cut people.
Take 3.
So what we got is a Joe! Oh, please don't hit me. Oh, you're going down. You're going down. You're going down. What do you say, your hand? Ow! Jello! You move weak! No, the leg shot! I'm gonna break my feet! I'm not.
Okay, and cut.
Oh, okay. Alright, 3, turn up. The Adventures of Penny. The Penny. The Penny. Who is the Penny? Which is a penny. Videoed by Nicky and Penny. Producers and narrators are Dibben. Yeah. And Chopstick. Penny! Penny! No, Penny! Adventures of Penny! Catch Penny! I'll catch Penny. You suck. Okay, right then. Penny, go! Woo! Roll away, Penny, roll. It's not useful, Penny sucks. Whoa! No, Penny! Go! Penny, go! Oh, that's later. Oh, no, you can walk. Oh, shit. Yay! Hi. Hello.
And cut. And here comes a special report from KK and Dibben from Bournemouth.
It's raining! I am Inspector Kk.
And I'm Inspector Dibben.
And today we are on an excursion to the haunted mansion. But the music that you hear coming from up there is not a sound effect. It is actually coming from up there. And it's been coming from up there for the last load of years, possibly. We first found it when we were in year 9, probably. Let's go.
Our adventure is going completely moving.
Hello. Welcome to the haunted house. This is the haunted stairwell.
It is quite hard to film while walking.
I know. You're like probably filming my
Shoulders.
Yeah. Let's go again.
Let the other people go up first.
So, we just have there. That would be a graveyard, but it's been transformed into a horror garden. You haven't got much long left, have you?
Made it to the top of the tower.
We are now at the top of the haunted tower. If you can hear the stupid haunted music. Yeah. But it actually doesn't sound like scary now we are. Yeah. Jazzy. Yeah, kind of like green dark stuff. This one like in the tap, 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 tap. Here's everybody. Tap, 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 tap. Here's everybody. So yeah, if you could like, oh, I don't know. And here's the cave song. Get up there. Simmons and Paul Feb.
Guys, I'm going to stop filming now.
That was so.
And now we're live back onto a report from Bournemouth weather with KK and Dibben. How are you holding up, guys?
We're wet.
I'm through with standing in line, the clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Tell me what you want.
I want a brand new house on an episode of Cribs, and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king-size tub big enough for 10 plus me.
So what you need?
I'll need a credit card that's got no limit, and a big black jet with a bedroom in it. Gonna join the Mile High Club at 37,000 feet.
Been done that.
I want a new tour bus full of old guitars, mine star on Hollywood Boulevard. Somewhere between Cher and James Dean is fine for me.
So how you gonna do it?
I'm gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name, 'cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses, driving